Going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in the color Auburn, and I am not good at this. Taking Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, and look at this cute little beauty blender. Oh my god, so adorable. Taking MAC Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre, and I've already used it once. Oh my god, I got the James Charles palette. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Thank you so much, Mom. Fulfill the prophecy, be something greater. Go make a legacy, manifest destiny. So I wound up pointing at like 4 different colors in here and wound up using only 4, but like 2 were not the ones I pointed at. So I'm so sorry. I did not use Hello, I used Playground instead. Halloween, I used Wig instead. So I pointed like at all these colors and then wound up using different colors. So don't give up. It's a little complicated. I'm not very good at doing arm swatches, so if the colors look lighter than what they actually did when they go on my eyes, I'm not good at doing arm swatches. Oh my god, can't talk. A bigger, fluffier brush to blend out everything, it's better than using a smaller paper brush. This is such a beautiful color, especially when you spray it with like Matte Fix Plus or Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. It comes out 10 times as more pigmented and such a beautiful color. I love it. Purples are also my favorite color, and I've never seen a Urban Decay spray this huge. That's why I was like, oh my god, freaking out. But yeah. Stay up on that rise, stay up on that rise, never come down. Oh, stay up on that rise, stay up on that rise, never come down. Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated. This actually came in one of my little kid sample kits, whatever, and it has been the best face oil type of thing I've ever used, and actually makes my foundation and everything go on a lot smoother, so yes. So I got one more run, and it's gonna be a sight to see. One of my favorite foundations is Tarte Amazonian Clay, and I think this is the shade Light. I said Light, and I think it is. My bad if it's not. This actually smells good, even though that's not supposed to be one of the things that you're like supposed to be into when you have loose powder, but it actually smells pretty good. And it's so powdery. Oh my god, watch it. A dupe for this palette, for as far as the contouring, like the Hoola Bronzer, would be the Profusion contour palette, the big one. And they almost look alike, so I think. This is absolutely my favorite, beyond favorites of highlighters. There's not a better highlighter than this one. It's cheap and portable and love it. When your highlighter gives you orgasms, then you know it's the right one. Put that on a t-shirt. I've never been a big lash person, but I've loved these lashes and gotten to them because of how thin the band is. So I think if I love them and I'm not a big lash person, you definitely would. So if you use them, do not forget to use my NaughtyStrawberry code because you will absolutely fall in love like I did. Palette, oh my god, that red that I will put on, oh my god, that red is the most beautifulest red I've ever seen in history. So, okay, sorry that I had a voice over most of this. My cat kept meowing the whole entire time. My skin has never looked any better than this, and I do not know what the heck I did. But, I mean, I could be exaggerating, but it looks like doll-like, and I'm, like, very excited for this. I do not know if it's showing like that to y'all. That's what it looks like through. The last very thing that I have to show y'all, this is not sponsored or any of that. It's just a company had came to me and asked me to try these, and I will try them right here on camera with you and let you know how. They originally asked me what flavor I wanted, and they are called Viter Energy, and this one is peppermint flavor, and it says a dietary supplement, but it's supposed to be a boost energy and freshens breath and sugar free. There's 20 pieces in this one. But they also had asked me what flavor, and I chose this. Well, then they also sent me a little sample pack, and I kind of want to try those, but at the same time, I have been stacking up a giveaway box, and none of y'all know that until now. I have been trying to get some products to do a giveaway because when we hit a certain amount, and I'm not for sure yet, I was thinking 2,000, but that's not where I want to be. I want to be bigger, and I know that's very like stingy, but at the same time, like, this giveaway box is like super huge, so I want it to be like the right amount. So like 5 or more. Okay, I think I'll do it at 5, and I know that sounds so like, oh, she wants, but at the same time, this box is really big and has a lot of really good stuff in there. So, and in the time of growing until 5,000, it's going to be even bigger, so I can only imagine. But I don't think this is an expiration date. I mean, I'm pretty sure it would have one, but I don't see one. Okay, if they don't have an expiration date, I'll look closer. If they do not have an expiration date, they will be going into a giveaway, so that way one of you lucky people can try it. As packaging, like, is hard to get open. Give me one. Okay, I had to get these little scissors so that we could open. I think we got this open. So just carry like little baby scissors with you everywhere, and you may be able to get stuff like this open. Okay, so we finally got it open. You can already smell it. Okay, I think they say only take one, but I'm not for sure. But I'm not gonna take more than one just because it does say boost energy, and I'm not for sure because I read somewhere where it says caffeinated, and so I don't want to. Okay, 2 Viters equal 1. A dose of energy plus fresh breath. 2 Viters equal 1 cup of coffee. Focus on the other side. Let's see if we can flip over. Okay, right there you can see where it says 2, but I'm only gonna take 1. Because warning: do not exceed more than 5 hourly or 10 servings in a day. So do not take if you're pregnant, nursing, 18 years of age, or have sensitive to caffeine. So I did not know I was out of focus the whole time, but it definitely does give you that fresh breath, and like the part where it like goes all the way through your nose and opens up your nose. So this might be good if you are having a cold and it will open up your nose. But they taste really good. I love the peppermint. I love spearmint too, but I love peppermint, like this type of very fresh peppermint tea. I like the taste, so I recommend the taste. As far as that, if you're looking for something to freshen your breath, there is other flavors, and this one is chocolate mint flavor, which I do love chocolate mint. I used to be a big person on eating like chocolate mint ice cream. But, oh, and Andes mint. Andes mints are good. But I wanted to have someone lucky to try all these. So, and this is wintergreen, which I'm sure the wintergreen will be amazing if you love that type of thing. Cinnamon, I love cinnamon as well, but I still want somebody else to try these. So, and then spearmint. All of these sound so good, and I'm pretty sure that they are. Sorry that I have to keep touching my screen. It just will not focus on me half the time. But I'm sure these are all good because each one I actually like truly love, like flavor-wise in real life. But I just want somebody else to try this too. So I hope we can hit 5K within next year. That's just because I'm going to try to do my best to continue to bring more videos, but along the way, if y'all have video ideas that you want to suggest for me to do, or for me to try a certain look, like if you see somebody else doing it and you want me to see if I can do it, or like spice it up or do it in my own style, you have some kind of silliness video you want me to do, just recommend it down below. But if you like these types of videos, then let me know and give it a like and consider subscribing and staying and continuing this journey with me. Thank you for watching, and I hope y'all have a wonderful week and a wonderful weekend, and I hope that all goes well. There's a huge storm going on, and have my parents like really mad and upset right now because we're supposed to travel through that. So yeah. Okay, I thank y'all for watching.
Doesn't make us strong, it doesn't make us weak. Tongue tied to service like shark routine.